Hello everyone. In this video we are going to next important topic, that is transformations of gamma functions. There are many equations in different forms we are deriving by substitution. So three cases are there. First one is x equal to lambda y, and second case is second case is e to the power minus x equal to y, and third case x to the power n equal to y. So first case x equal to lambda y. So dx equal to lambda dy. Here, if you considering the definition of gamma function, that is gamma of n is equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus x to the power n minus 1 dx. So we are substituting x equal to lambda y, that is, if here x varies from 0 to infinity, then x equal to lambda y. So if x varies from 0 to infinity, then y varies from 0 to infinity, because x equal to lambda y. If x equal to 0, y equal to 0, and x equal to infinity, y also tends to infinity, because x is proportional to y according to this equation, x equal to lambda y. So here y varies 0 to infinity. So we are substituting x equal to lambda y, and there is a x. So here x equal to lambda y, that is lambda y to the power n minus 1, and here e to the power minus x. What is x? X equal to lambda y. So this is equal to integral 0 to infinity e to the power minus lambda y to the power n minus 1 dx. Okay. Then what is gamma function? Gamma of n is equal to, here lambda is a constant, so we can take outside, that is lambda to the power n minus 1 integral 0 to infinity e to the power minus lambda y to the power n minus 1. Here dx, what is dx? Dx is lambda dy. So here lambda dy. So lambda to the power n minus 1 dy, lambda can take outside, so into lambda, that is gamma of n is equal to lambda to the power n minus 1 plus 1, that is lambda to the power n. So here lambda to the power n integral 0 to infinity e to the power minus lambda y to the power n minus 1 dy. So this is a first form. If you are substituting x equal to lambda y. Then second case, e to the power minus x equal to y. So what is minus x? If you taking log on both sides, then log exponential minus x, that is minus x. We are taking log in both sides, so this is a log y. Clear? Then x equal to minus log y, or x equal to log y to the power minus 1. Clear? Then what is dx? Dx equal to, here x equal to log y to the power minus 1. So what is dx? We are taking differentiation, that is dx. Derivative of log, that is dx equal to 1 by y to the power minus 1. Then differentiating with respect to dy. First we differentiating the function of log, then y to the power minus 1. We are applying chain rule. So dx, what is dx? Dx equal to 1 divided by y to the power minus 1 into minus 1 y to the power minus 1 minus 1, that is minus 2. So this is a dx. So here we are taking dx by dy, then dy will come other side, that is dx equal to this term into dy. This equal to, so this is equal to minus 1 by y dy. Okay. Here we are substituting y equal to e to the power minus x. So here x varies from 0 to infinity. Then y, if x equal to 0, then y equal to e to the power minus 0, that is 1 divided by e to the power 0, that is 1. So y varies from 1 to, if y equal to e to the power minus x equal to infinity, then this equal to 1 by divided by e to the power infinity, that is 0. So y varies from 1 to 0. Okay. So we are substituting x equal to minus log y. Okay. So this is equal to, here y varies from 1 to 0 and e to the power minus x, that is minus, what is x? X equal to log y to the power minus 1 log y to the power minus 1 to the power n minus 1. What is dx? Dx equal to minus 1 by y into dy. So into minus 1 by y dy. So this is equal to, this is minus log, that is 1 divided by e to the power log y to the power minus 1. Then there is a minus 1 divided by y and into log y to the power minus 1, that is 1 by y. 1 by y to the power n minus 1. Then dy. Okay. So this is a exponential and log. This will cancel. So this is equal to y to the power minus 1, that is 1 divided by 1 by y into there is a minus 1 by y. So this y become cancel and there is a into minus of log 1 by y to the power n minus 1 dy. Then the limit is 1 and 0. So if you are interchanging the limit, that is 0 and 1, then this negative sign become vanish, that is 0 to 1 log 1 by y to the power n minus 1 dy. So this is another important equations. If you are substituting e to the power minus x equal to y. So gamma of n is equal to integral 0 to 1 log 1 by y to the power n minus 1 dy. So this is a second equation. This is another transformation equation. If you are substituting e to the power minus x equal to y, and if you are substituting x equal to lambda y, we got gamma of n is equal to lambda to the power n integral 0 to infinity e to the power minus lambda y to the power minus n minus 1 into dy. Then third case, that is if you are substituting x to the power n is equal to y, x to the power n is equal to y, then what is x? Then x equal to nth root of y, that is y to the power 1 by n. Okay. So what is dx? If you are differentiating dx, so dx by dy, then dx is equal to 1 by n into y to the power 1 by n minus 1, then dy come into next side, then dy. Okay. This is equal to 1 by n. So this is equal to 1 by n minus 1, that is 1 minus n by n dy. So here limit varies from 0 to infinity and y also varies from 0 to infinity because here relationship is a linear. So if you x equal to 0, then y also tends to 0, and x equal to infinity, then also y also varies 0 to infinity. Okay, so we are substituting x in our equation. So gamma of n is equal to e to the power minus x, that is e to the power, what is x? Y to the power 1 by n. Then x to the power n minus 1, that is here x equal to y to the power 1 by n raised to n minus 1. Then dy, what is dx? Dx equal to 1 by n y to the power 1 minus n divided by n dy. So here we are rearranging this equation. So gamma of n integral 0 to infinity e to the power, then here 1 by n, and if you are applying 1 by n into n minus 1, that is n minus 1 divided by n, and y to the power 1 minus n divided by n. So this 1 n minus 1 plus 1 minus n, that is 0. This will cancel. So y to the power 0. So this term is equal to 1. So remaining one is e to the power minus y to the power 1 by n dy, and there is a 1 by n. So we can write this equation in terms of n gamma n. If you are considering this equation, we can write n gamma n is equal to integral 0 to infinity e to the power minus y to the power 1 by n dy. So this is a third transformation equation. If you are substituting x to the power n equal to y. So we got three important equations. First one, if you are substituting x equal to lambda y, and second one, if you are substituting e to the power minus x equal to y, we got this equation. And third one, if you are substituting x to the power n equal to y, we got this equation. So I hope everything is okay. We will see in next video. Thank you.